dais.
A few words about our esteemed guest. Dr. Yogesh Patel has done his MBBS and MD from Medical College, Vadodara, and has worked as an assistant professor of psychiatry from 1984 to 1989. He has been involved in clinical teaching and research work in psychiatry, especially drug abuse. He had presented a paper on prevalence and pattern of drug abuse at 37th Annual Conference of the Indian Psychiatric Society at Visakhapatnam. He has many credits to his name, like member of International Council on Alcohol and Addiction, a chairman of Ellora Park Hospital and De-Addiction Center. He is secretary in Vadodara Police Medical and Welfare Charitable Trust. He was attached to the National Addiction Center, London. He was selected for training in UK in 1994-95. In 1996, he represented India at SARC workshop. He had been nominated to participate in the SARC meet at Kathmandu in 1999. He was invited to participate in the 43rd International Institute on the Prevention and Treatment of Dependency at Bahrain in September 2000. Sir, it's a great honor to have you here with us.
A few words about our guest of honor. Dr. Mahesh Srinivasan has completed his PhD from the Harvard University in Cambridge in 2011. His research interests are how representation of language and concepts arise and interact in human development and across culture. His specific interest includes development of reasoning and cross-culture differences in social cognitive development. He has published many articles, attended many conferences, and has made a number of presentations. He has been invited to talk on his research interest at different places in the world. Sir has many feathers to his cap and has won many honors and awards. Since 2002, he has number of awards in series, and the latest being the Young Scientist 2016 from the World Economic Forum. Zenith School is fortunate to have a tie-up with the Harvard University, and Mahesh sir and his team has been working since the last 8 years on the socio-cognitive development among the children.
We are really honored to have such distinguished guests amongst us.
I request Mary ma'am to welcome and honor our chief guest with a bouquet.
I request Mary ma'am to welcome and honor our guest of honor with a bouquet.
Mary ma'am to speak a few words.
Good evening. Distinguished guests Dr. Yogesh Patel, Dr. Srinivasan and team from USA, Reshma Madam, Principal of Gujarati Medium, parents and dear students. On behalf of Zenith School, I welcome you all in this beautiful evening. Having completed 65 years of journey of resounding success, Zenith School is always dedicated towards impressive infrastructure equipped with modern educational facilities, inclusive of co-curricular and extracurricular activities, sports and technology. I am really lucky to work under the guidance of Abbasi sir, whose far-sighted vision has transformed an ordinary institute into a world-class modern education hub. His passion of bringing the advanced and the latest technology in school and his concern towards the academic excellence is noteworthy. We have collaborated with leading extra to undertake the responsibility to assist our school students in developing 3D modeling and printing as a skill in their minds through curriculum-based setup. It was our trustee sir's vision of starting 3D curriculum, and I'm proud to say that Zenith School is the first school to adopt 3D curriculum in Gujarat. Last academic year was a year full of successes for our students in all the fields, whether in sports, academics or extracurricular activities. I'm really proud of the achievement and wish my students to bring more laurels in the coming days. We have received British Council International Award, which is a trademark of best educational institution around the world. We have also received special recognition from the Sports Authority of Government of Gujarat as the best school in Vadodara city in the field of sports and games. It was possible only because of hard work and dedication of sports team, support from management and also parents. So we have decided to start the sports academy in our school from January 2017 in the evenings after school hours in our school premises. Those parents who are interested can contact Sajiso for more information. Lastly, I would like to thank all the parents for keeping trust in us and accepting the change we are bringing for the upliftment of the students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was an inspirational speech. I request our chief guest to share a few words of wisdom with us.
Can we have lights more on the stage?
कैमरे ऊपर सेट करिए
आप मुझे देख सकते हो, मैं आपको नहीं देख सकता हूँ. जस्ट 2 मिनट धीरज